Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. Do you know someone who's going on a camping expedition and you'd like to help them preserve their memories? Stay tuned and I'll show you a great gift you can give them. This is Debbie from Project 39. I'm going to show you my Wander mini album. This mini album is 7 by 7 and the pages are 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. This is a pocket page mini album. It's got 6 different pockets, but there is so much room to get lots of photos in here. This one has the photo placeholders, so it tells you what size photo to put on here, and the intention is that you just pull off this white paper and put the photo right there. Now on the back side it's plain, and you could put another photo there, or you could use this with a gel pen and journal. You could journal about where you are and what the date is and who you're with and why you went, and just, anything you want to say. So that slips into this pocket, which has lots of room, by the way. So there's another photo placeholder, and that goes in that cute pocket with the campfire and the marshmallows. And so here's the first of our pocket pages. So these pages are 5 1/2 by 5 1/2. So if you had a 4 by 6 photo, you could cut that down or print out 4 by 4 photos, and that would look nice on there. And that gives you just a little extra room to put extra photos into your album. Colors are beautiful. They're a little different than what you'd find in a normal camping, adventure, hiking mini album. So there's a 4 by 4 photo placeholder there, and this one also is for a 4 by 4 photo. Now this is held together with a magnet. You still could use this to put a picture on. It opens up to a spread where there's room here for photos or for journaling. If you have photos and you have extra strenuous stuff in it, just bushes or trees that don't help tell the story, that's when you can crop it down. Just take a pair of scissors, draw a straight line on it, and cut it down. These little flags are actually not glued down, so you could put your photo right under there, and now that flag sort of becomes part of the whole picture, and because of the color, it keeps everything together. It helps make everything consistent. And so there we go, and there's your pocket page. Here's the scooter page. Love this pink little scooter. So this opens up like this, and there's room to go ahead and journal on or put another photo. And this comes out, and this is to put a couple of photos on. And then to close it, you just use the swing tab and just go right back like this. Now this is a cute little page. This is called a belly band, and this is where you would hold some photos on this cute paper. So you could put the photos on here, or you could put the photo on the back and still have the design of the paper showing. And then again, it's sort of like a hidden element, as is this photo page. These are journaling cards, and you don't have to keep them where they are in the album. This one I definitely would use to put the date and the place on, or you could take a photo and put it right on top of it. You don't have to use it for that intention. And of course, move them throughout the book where you want. I love these suitcases, luggage, and backpacks. So this is a 4-page spread. It opens like that, and there's room on all 4 pages to put a photo. So like I've got a picture of my daughter sitting on rocks at a beach in Oregon, where you see the progression of the waves, and it comes close and then it starts, and then by the 4th picture the waves are engulfing her. So a progression pictures like that would be fabulous in here, but it doesn't have to be. I mean, you could just put different people from your family, or different hikes that you went on this one trip, and of course there's room on the top of it as well. So there's your hidden photo mat, and that goes right in there. And this is the badges pages. I love these badges. This opens up, Room for a photo there. And put it there. I love how these colors go nicely together. This green and this yellow ochre is beautiful. And there's room underneath these little tabs to put the photo again. So this is another page like that. This opens up and room to put photos. And one here, center stage. And that sticks down because there's a magnet in there. Now this is side pockets. I just love these color combinations. So this will open up like this. Oh, I'm sorry, the sun is just coming up at the campground we're at here in Florida, and I know I should pull the shades, but it's so beautiful seeing the sun coming through the trees. So I will for my next one, but for right now I just think it's pretty. What am I looking at? Oh, just my racks that hold my papers. Okay, and then here's the final page. This one opens up another pocket. I use this yellow to brighten it up. There's the sun, stars and the moon. Great spot for photos. Goes down this little swing tab, closes it. And then here we are with another place to put photos. So you could put a photo on this photo mat, room for a photo on both sides. Or you could take this out and put a photo here. If it were me, I would probably cut down a 4x6 photo and just put it there, and then you have the moon and the stars still on that page, and it just is a nice just a nice grouping of things to help your picture tied together and tell the story. And that is my Wander mini album. I hope you liked it. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button, and you'll see more in this camping series. Thanks for watching.